guys, today we're going to make these super cute fringe cupcake toppers using just a few things. Here's what you'll need: tissue paper, paper straws, and scissors. We're going to start by cutting our tissue paper. It is going to be a little bit more than 2 inches wide, and rather than unfold it, I'm just going to cut it while it's still folded up. And this is the strip we'll use to make our fringe. So starting from the bottom, we are going to just cut little pieces about a little bit more narrow than the width of a paper straw. Not sure what the exact measurement on it needs to be, so you can kind of make them however you want. And we are just going to keep snipping and cutting fringe. You're going to cut about halfway through the tissue paper and keep moving down until we've cut about 4 inches of fringe, and it shouldn't take very long. And then we'll use our extra to make more. So continuing to cut. And then my last cut, I'm just going to cut all the way across, cut all the way through. So now what we're going to do with our piece of fringe is we're going to roll it. So starting from one end and rolling on the side that hasn't been cut, we are going to just twist it around and make fringe. And you'll see how easy it comes together, and it always looks great. Even if they bend and fold a little bit, it makes them super festive. And then you're just going to pinch the bottom a little bit so that it fits on our straw. Now what we're going to do is cut our straw, and we're going to cut it into thirds. So it's about 2.5 inches long. So you'll cut it, and because I'm going to make more later, cut it again. And to reshape the ends, you just squeeze it a little bit because they got squished by my scissors. And now we'll just add our fringe right into the top, or slide it on in. And to pinch a little more. And there you have it. We'll add it to our cupcake. There's a super cute, easy to make cupcake topper that didn't take a lot of time or effort. We hope you enjoyed watching this. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more. And from all of us at American Greetings, thanks for watching.